Hi everyone. I am Namita Jain, a wellness specialist and a wellness author. I am with Dr. Vaibhav Sumani, a gastroenterologist at Bombay Hospital in Mumbai. Doctor, I would really love to get insights from you on the topic of flatulence and bloating. It is an extremely common concern, and I think a lot of people are suffering from this condition. And it's almost cyclical that people go to work and they're eating when there are many thoughts coming into their head, maybe out even while they're stressed, they're eating. Then they go back home end of day and they're probably watching television and many distractions and eating, and then they have medicines by their bedside, and then the next day continues. So I mean, how does one actually get out of this cycle of having the medicines and dealing with flatulence? Could you share some tips?
Sure. So this is a very common problem we face in our routine lives. Everyone faces it at some point of time. So basically, there are two types of flatulence: pathological, non-pathological. Non-pathological is usually non-foul smelling flatulence without any cause. It can be due to medicines, lifestyles, anything, and it is usually non-foul smelling. More common in diabetics, again, because of the medicine and diabetes itself, which can lead to bloating and flatulence. It is sedentary lifestyle, uncontrolled sugar. So you eat, you work, you again go to sleep after dinner immediately because you reach late home. Again in the morning, you are up early and you are leaving for the work. So there is no time for exercise, and this whole cycle can lead to bloating and flatulence. Excessive protein intakes, the supplements, protein supplements which people take these days for the exercise and high protein diet can lead to flatulence.
So, doctor, I think this is a very good takeaway because a lot of people are on keto diets or on, high protein diets, and a lot of people who are working out on the gym are also consuming protein. So, for them, this is a good takeaway message that it could lead to flatulence. Yes.
So, and other possibilities are some malabsorption, infections, and chronic conditions which can also lead to flatulence, which has to be investigated properly if needed.
Doctor, there are some yoga asanas which are supposed to help in digestion, such as Vajrasan, and they even recommend like walking, brisk walking, swimming, and other forms of sports for relieving flatulence and helping this condition. What is your take on this?
So, absolutely, any form of exercise will help with flatulence and bloating. It will increase the gut health, improve the gut health, I would say. But the main factor here is that there should not be aerophagia during the exercises. Swallowing of air during exercise, during eating food should be avoided. So, talking while eating and exercising is to be avoided. This yogas and asanas will definitely help when it is done properly.
Doctor, off the counter, you get a lot of probiotics, and, they write probiotics, then after meal probiotics, and people are just buying them off the shelf. What is your advice for or against this?
So I'm not a big fan of all these probiotic medicines which are available over the counter. There are probiotics which are drugs in the officially they are in the listed as drugs, and there are specific indications in our medicine for the same. So we prescribe only then. There is no point in taking over the counter routinely.
So that's such an important takeaway for a lot of people who are just buying things when they are really needing it from the chemist. So it's always better to consult with a doctor for advice. Any takeaway message for the viewers, doctor? Sign off message for this?
So I would like to say that to avoid bloating and flatulence, avoid excessive supplemental diets, do routine exercise, lead a good healthy lifestyle. The main part of which is exercise and a good gap between your meal time and your dinner time. I think that should do it.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for this useful information. I am sure a lot of viewers will be very interested in knowing how to battle flatulence. Thank you.